This circle ought to be a lot closer to over me. Oh no, he's going a long way still. He might get a little closer. Got that light on no more. Driving around using FLIR. Oh, what's he doing? He might have turned and went straight. Or did a sharp turn? Yeah, he went the other way. See, he might come in and do a circle around this way. Nope, he's going farther back. He's just gonna get farther and farther away till he comes to go back to base, which is directly over me. Something's going on. It has to be Lane Avenue. Maximum Cassett. Could be Lane and Lennox or Plymouth and Cassett. Or it could be London Town. Oh, there's another one. There's multiples. Ooh. Look, there's 2 helicopters flying around. We only have 1 JSO helicopter. Oh, Life Flight. That's Life Flight right there. 100%, that's going to be Life Flight right here going to Shands. Yep, that's Life Flight right there. Man, I hope they're okay. Look, there's JSO, the one that's been circling, and then Life Flight, heading probably to Shands, Gainesville. And then there's JSO, Air 1. Ooh, something happened. What happened?